All right, so I'm gonna start this problem from the beginning. All right. Now, order of operations tells me that we have to get rid of this exponent before we can do any multiplication. So in this case, I'm gonna raise everything in here to the second power. And when I raise 2 to the second power, I get 4. Then x to the third to the second power, I'm gonna multiply those to get x to the 6th. But then I'm going to take that and multiply it by x to the 4th. So technically, the number in front of x to the 4th right now is 1. So this 4 times 1 is 4. But when I multiply these bases of x, I'm going to get x to the, now I add the exponents. So that would give me 4x to the 10th. Now down here, when I do negative 2 to the third, negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. It's going to give me positive 4 times negative 2. That will give me negative 8. Then x to the third, I'm going to multiply those to get x to the 9th. Y to the 4th to the third gives me y to the 12th. Now I'm going to take it and multiply it by 9 to the second power is 81. X to the 5th to the second is x to the 10th. Then y to the 6th to the second is y to the 12th. Finally, I can go ahead and just multiply these. Okay, negative 8 times 81, right? That's going to give me negative 8 times 81. Sorry, 81 times 8, 648. So it's going to give me negative 648. But now when I multiply the x's together, I'm going to get x to the 9 plus 10, which is x to the 19th. Then it's going to be y to the 12 plus 12, which gives me y to the 24th. So taking these in baby steps, remember power to a power, then multiply same bases. All right, get the homework done and send it to me.